watching this thing.
Go ahead and stop.
Oh my god! Oh god, it's over.
Reaction. What did you think?
That was the most horrible thing I've ever seen. I'm like tearing. Oh, I feel so sick.
I told you it was disgusting.
You know, I'm like hoping that I was gonna look at it and it would be fake looking or something. But I really thought I was gonna throw up.
You made it through. Not everyone made it through.
I barely made it through. I ran away for a second.
And that was 2 girls in a cup.